Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make easy mushroom masala curry recipe. This recipe can be served along with rice or chapathi. We can make this recipe in just 30 minutes. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped green chilli, 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, some curry leaves. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame until the onion changes color to light golden color. Keep it to low flame and add 3/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon pepper powder. Mix it well. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Then add 1 chopped tomato and saute it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Add 1/4 cup of water. And then we can add 200 grams of mushroom pieces. I have cut mushroom into medium sized pieces. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook on low flame for 12 to 15 minutes. Stir in between every 3 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 15 minutes, we can switch off the flame. Our easy mushroom masala recipe is ready. Serve it after 30 minutes for best taste. This recipe is usually served along with rice.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.